Hi, this is Kycheah here. I want to discuss the techniques, the fundamental techniques of shading when we do a sketch of a tree, an object, or a rock. Basically, there are four types of shading. First is the hatching. Secondly, we have the cross hatching. And third, scribbling. And fourth, it's stippling. Okay, so I'll show you the first one. That is a random order. The first one is cross hatching. Cross hatching, as you can see, here are four directions. The first step you do is where there is light against an object, when it's not that dark, you draw vertical lines. The second direction is when it gets darker, you have the vertical lines, right? You can see that. Third direction is you have the same lines and you have the diagonal lines. And so the fourth one gets darker, you have the opposite diagonal lines. In other words, cross hatching, you utilize four directions. See? Horizontal lines, vertical lines, diagonal lines, and opposite diagonal lines. So you get a shape. You see the value. We are talking about the value shades, value of an object. Okay. The second one is hatching, which is all vertical lines. See, where there is light, the lines are far apart. They get narrower as you get darker and darker. These are values. That means light, dark, darker, darkest. Light, dark, darker, darkest. And so is the next one, which is stippling. Stippling, we're doing it with dots, light dots, dark dots, more dots, darker dots. You see, so you have the density of dots, like in the two above, hatching and cross hatching. We make use of dots, the density of the dots. You know what I mean? So the next one is scribbling. Scribbling is just just doodling. You go carelessly with your hand. You go round and round, and where there is light, it is sparsely done. When it goes darker, it becomes more and more dense. There are also four directions. So basically, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you are. We have got four types, four basic types. And it is very important to know this, whether you are doing with a pencil or even color. Basically it's pencil and ink drawing, but you can experiment with color. Okay, so to explain further, so this is, you have a block here. There are four types of as I have already mentioned. Yeah, so this is you have scribbling, stippling, hatching, cross hatching. Okay, and so the end result is, this is the product of what you get, the tree here. So this is the form, a tree form where you don't have any shape. So if you apply any of those techniques here, you get a tree like this. This technique is done by this cross hatching technique. So basically this is what you will get. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you.